Folic acid. Green leafy vegetables are the abundant source of folic acid. It is mainly absorbed from jejunum and the active form of folic acid is tetrahydrofolic acid. 400 to 600 microgram per day is the recommended daily allowance of folic acid for adults. The requirement increases among pregnant and lactating mothers. Functions of folic acid include conversion of homocysteine to methionine. Methyl tetrahydrofolate donates a methyl group to cobalamin which gets converted to methyl cobalamin, and this in turn donates a methyl group to homocysteine and this gets converted to methionine. So other important function of folic acid is it is involved in one carbon metabolism where folic acid acts as a carrier of various one carbon compounds. Now here is the one carbon metabolism concise summary. Tryptophan is a donor of formyl tetrahydrofolic acid, and the acceptor is second carbon atom of purine ring. Histidine donates a methynyl group and the acceptor is C8 of purine ring. Choline donates methylene group and this is accepted by serine which gets converted to glycine, and this is also accepted by deoxyuridine monophosphate which gets converted to deoxythymidine monophosphate required for DNA synthesis. Methionine donates a methyl group and this is carried by tetrahydrofolic acid, and this participates in transmethylation reaction where norepinephrine undergoes methylation to form epinephrine. Epinephrine undergoes methylation to form metanephrine. Epinephrine and norepinephrine are responsible for increasing the force of contraction, increasing heart rate, increasing blood pressure, and their catecholamines. Acetyl serotonin derived from tryptophan accepts a methyl group and gets converted to melatonin which is responsible for maintaining circadian rhythm or the biological rhythm. Guanidinoic acid accepts a methyl group and gets converted to creatine which gets phosphorylated to form creatine phosphates, and this provides energy for muscle contraction by Lomann's reaction. Coming to deficiency manifestation of folic acid, it results in macrocytic anemia. This is because of delayed DNA synthesis, however, with continued protein synthesis, resulting in development of immature RBCs as megaloblasts or the macrocytes. The next important deficiency manifestation is neural tube defect seen in newborns born to mothers with deficient folic acid during pregnancy. Now, this is a rationale why all the pregnant ladies are prescribed folic acid as early as preconception period only. Now, this neural tube closes by 4th week of gestation, and that's the reason why folic acid has to be taken by the expecting mothers preconceptionally only. Now, this neural tube defect manifests in the form of anencephaly, that is absence of cerebral hemisphere, and defective closure of the spinal column in the newborns due to folic acid deficiency in the pregnant lady. The next manifestation is hyperhomocysteinemia. This is because of impaired conversion of homocysteine to methionine. Now, this accumulation of homocysteine when it exceeds more than 15 millimoles per liter is very much dangerous to the human body. This is because of increased homocysteine causes oxidation of LDL and also stimulates aggregation of platelets, precipitating thrombus formation in cardiovascular system, cerebral system, and also it precipitates or stimulates development of deep vein thrombosis. Coming to folate antagonist, sulfonamides have got structural resemblance to PABA of the bacteria, hence used as antibiotic or the antibacterial drug. Pyrimethamine also has got a structural homology to folic acid and it is used as anti-malarial drug. Methotrexate inhibits folate reductase enzyme, so it inhibits the DNA formation in the cancer cells and thereby stunts the cancer cell growth. Hence, it is used as anti-cancer drug or the agent. So, this was all about folic acid.